Hi, it's Chris here, and wanted to do this quick testimonial for something that has changed my life actually, but it's one that's perhaps difficult to openly talk about. My wife, through a friend of hers, had heard about a situation where the friend's husband had managed to enlarge his penis, and it took a few months and made a significant difference to the size. Anyway, we got chatting one night and my wife said, "Look, why don't you do it?" I thought, well, frankly, who doesn't want a larger penis? And if it's going to improve our sex life, well, great. And boy, has it improved our sex life. It's been about 3 months now, and I've grown 2.5 inches, which is just amazing. So thank you very much, John Collins. Been a difficult one to put this together for you, but for those people watching, the reason I'm doing it is because I've been so thrilled with the results. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope